I'm Gabby, and I'm going to show you how to make a healthy, tasty snack. So I've got a whole grain tortilla to start with. I like to use these because they're higher in fiber, they're usually lower in carbohydrates. You can also use a low-carb tortilla. And I've got a little bit of Neufchatel cheese, which is essentially light cream cheese. It's lower in fat and calories, but it tastes just as good and can be used for all the same uses. So I'm just going to spread my tortilla with cream cheese, and you want to spread it all the way to the edges. Okay, I've also got some alfalfa sprouts, and I'm going to scatter those over my Neufchatel, and also some shredded carrots, which you can get already shredded in the grocery store in the produce aisle. Also got some green onions and bell peppers. And you can really get creative with the vegetables. Anything that you like that's crispy and crunchy and easy to chop up and put on something like this. So next what you want to do, it's kind of like making sushi. You want to roll it up, and then this little bit of cream cheese at the edge is going to help seal the sandwich. And then you want to cut it into pieces and set it on your plate. And it looks really pretty. You get kind of a fun pinwheel. And that's how you make a healthy, tasty, easy snack.